Now we come to Purva Bhadrapad. Now Purva Bhadrapad is from 20 degrees of Aquarius to 3 degree 20 minutes of Pisces. So it is covers the entire Aquarius and enters into Pisces. Therefore, to repeat, 20 degrees from Aquarius to 3 degrees 20 minutes to 3 degrees and 20 minutes to Pisces. So it's spread in both Aquarius and Pisces. Aquarius is ruled by, as a whole, the whole Aquarius as a sign is ruled by Saturn, and Pisces as a sign is ruled by Jupiter. This part of Purva Bhadrapad, which is from 20 degree Aquarius, to repeat, to 3 degree 20 minutes of Pisces, is ruled by the ruler is Jupiter. I mean, the ruler is Jupiter. Now let us get into the analysis of Purva Bhadrapad. Purva Bhadrapad basically symbolizes somebody, a funeral cot. It symbolizes the two legs of a funeral cot. So that itself is negative, funeral cot. Secondly, it symbolizes what we call as a foot, only a person with one foot. It also symbolizes two faces. Now this particular nakshatra, Purva Bhadrapad, therefore is a very destructive nakshatra. It produces people a kind of a Jekyll and Hyde kind of a situation. The persons are very complicated. You cannot guess about the person, how they are, and they're very complicated people, not in the positive way, mostly in the negative way, because they have been born to create destruction. It is related to destruction. It is the symbol of this planet is skull. It is related to things like tantra. It is related to things like mantra. It is related to people like destruction. People here, this is the place where people can actually go in for mass murder, mass homicide. It is 1 foot of Shiva, which symbolizes nothing but destruction. People, if they're convinced they can do any nefarious activities, they can be very secretive. People who are convinced in this can do negation and even can stand on 1 foot for 10 years, but they have to be convinced. It is a nakshatra which talks about extremes. It is not too much bothered about money. Whatever money, little money, it will have to be stingy with money and make use of that money. It is a nakshatra where one has to be very careful, and that is how it influences the planets. So the basic symbology of this particular thing is funeral, two-faced men, Jekyll and Hyde kind of a situation, people who are involved in destruction, homicide, mass suicide, negativity, but they have to be convinced or negative, whatever they think they are negative. On the other hand, the very positive aspect of this thing is Ramakrishna Paramahans was born in this nakshatra, but he, by his devotion, by his all his tantra shakti, mantra shakti, he was able to understand the various things of nature, so of divinity. So it's Ramakrishna Paramahans also was born in this, but this, you have to understand that is what it is, and it is, since it is Kali Yuga, it is giving more of negative this thing, and a very major part of Aquarius, that is 20 degrees to 30 degrees of Aquarius till 3.2 degrees of Pisces, this nakshatra is there, and one who is born with moon in this nakshatra will have these tendencies. Similarly, the planets placed in nakshatra can be molded, depending on the karak of the planet, and the planet here in this nakshatra gets molded. Remember the symbols which I have told you, and that is important. So this is all about Purva Bhadrapad. I would like to end the video here. You can get me on my mail ID connectingminds@gmail.com, my websites, and my videos on connectingmind.org. I hope you understand, and you will understand the difference it creates because of the 13 degrees 20 minutes nakshatra which are there, and how they work to influence it. And this is one nakshatra which you have to you would love and you would hate, but this is what it is. Thanks, bye for now.